Hello sir, my name is Santosh. My register number is UR15CS148. In this video, I am going to explain about the implementation of queue using array. Queue is first in, first out. There are some basic applications where we can see queue in our day-to-day life. That is, for example, in a movie theater, the person who gets the ticket first will enter into the hall first, and there are many more examples like that. Now let us see the program. So start the program with the header file as include iostream, followed by using namespace std, and declare 5 functions. First one is void enq, void dq, void display, int is full and int is empty. Void enq is to enter the elements in the queue, and void dq function is used to delete the elements from the queue, and void display function is used to display the queue, and int is full function is used to check whether the queue is full or not, and int is empty is used to check whether the queue is empty or not. Then initialize rear is equal to -1, print is equal to -1, and array of size 10, n and data. Now initialize main function, declare the variables as per the data type. Here the integer data type is used to declare choice, and character data type is used to declare ch. Now ask the user to enter the size of the queue. Then next create menu using create menu by 3 options. The first one is insert, the next one is delete and display. Now ask the user to enter his choice. Here I use switch statement to execute the choice. In case 1, that is entering the elements in the queue should be take place. In case 2, the elements can be deleted from the queue, and in case 3, the queue should be displayed. By default, if the user enters the choice other than 1, 2 or 3, then display as invalid entry. If the user want to perform the operation again, then ask the user whether he wants to continue. If yes, press 5, or else press any other key to exit. This can be achieved by using do while loop, and the condition is ch is equal to y or ch is equal to small y. Ask the user whether he want to continue, or if yes, press y, or else press any other key to exit. Now initialize int is empty function. This is used to check whether queue is empty or not, and if the condition is front is equal to rear. If front is equal to rear, then return 1, else return 0. Now initialize is full function. This is used to check whether queue is full or not. If rear is equal to n-1, then return 1, else return 0. Then initialize void enq function. This is used to enter the elements inside queue. And next use if statement. If the condition is queue is not full, if queue is not full, then incrementation of rear takes place, and a of rear is equal to data, else display as queue is overflowing. Then void dq is used to delete element from the queue. If queue is not empty, then incrementation of front take place, and initialize b is equal to a of front and display deleted element, else display as queue is empty. Now initialize void display function. This function is used to display the queue. If queue is not empty, then display the queue by using for loop with the condition int I is equal to front plus 1, I less than or equal to rear I plus plus. Now I am going to execute the program. Enter the size of the queue. So I want my size should be 2. Now enter any option. So now I want to insert an element in the queue. Enter the element. Now here I am giving 23. I want to perform the operation again. I want to insert the element. Enter the element again. Now I will enter 24. Again I want to perform the operation. Again I want to insert, enter any element. So here it is since the queue size is only 2, here it is showing that queue is overflowing. Again I want to perform the operation. Now display the queue, that is 23 and 24 elements are inside the queue. Now delete, I want to delete an element from the queue. So give the choice as 2. Here the deleted element is 23. Since it is queue, the first element should be deleted first. Thank you.